So this is a North Korean operating system that they probably preserve with their national emotions. Yeah, today we are going to try that. So moving on, let's set this on VM. By the way, this is Linux based, so that's a little bit funny. Let's remove internet first because I don't want to get spied by North Korea. Oh, what's this? Is this supposed to be happening? Hello? What about we reset? No bootable device. Could not read from CD-ROM. What? Should I wait? Oh. What was that? Hello, mate. Oh, I don't know why my mouse cursor keeps disappearing when I stop it. And I don't know what this says. So let's switch to Google Translate view. No, oh, this is Turkish. Wait. Our own operating system, Red Star. Okay, the Red Star user system version 3.0 is our own operating system that has achieved high level of stability and performance, ease of use, and security. An error has occurred. No valid devices were found to which create new file systems. Oh, it just... Wait, I know what should I do, okay. Wait a little bit, minute. It's probably caused by this. Like, let's try SATA. Okay, please work this time. Okay. Oh, yeah. The partition table on device disk unreadable. To create new partition causing all data. It would be funny if this wrote to my actual disk. Oh, no, whatever. Yes. This actually looks like very macOS. Is this a ripoff of macOS UI? Username. Short name? What's short name? Password confirmation. Password. Okay. Can I select any pictures? Oh, we have pictures here. We have a mermaid. We have a clock. We have a piano. We have a wolf. Yeah. We even got a monkey. Let's say select monkey. Let's make our username cat. Our short name cat. Password Amogus. Confirm password Amogus. Password hint SAS. Yes, professional. This is interesting. Who uses this system outside of North Korea? Like, why did they... Okay, I can understand Russia in here, but why Japan? That's a little bit sus. Oh, actually, I can select other regions, yeah. So, why we have limited selections here? Like, can I select? Yeah, I can select other regions. Oh, is this like region-based? Probably, yeah. This is like listing the Europe. Oh, we don't have South Korea here to be expected, but yeah, let's say select North Korea to not get any attention. You are about to install system. What? Oh, now I can click, I guess. This is just the install screen. Well, okay. Probably this is a translation of the system, I guess. Oh, I can customize it. We have Firefox. Very interesting. Kuka. What's Kuka? Yeah, let's install it. Is this logo of the operating system? Like, what's next? Hello, comrade in the opening of the system screen. I don't know. Remaining time, installing system partition none. What? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it's installing the bootloader. Is it grub? I wonder. Is it not okay? Okay, and reboot this. Relaunch it. Okay, this is probably grub. Yeah, we have a loading screen. Okay. This looks like it's come from a dystopian movie. What is this scary UI? It looks so scary. Oh, yeah, and the glitches are insane. What does this mean? Wait. Unknown, the program stopped unexpectedly. This error does not affect the system or other programs. Okay, ignore this. Oh, what does this say? Unknown program, ignore. Oh, it just freeze. I can't move my cursor. You can see Okay, it just says this. And no debugging symbols found. Yeah, it doesn't work. Let's try the old version. Okay, so this has a different screen. So this is probably another bootloader grab thing. This says user system version 2, by the way. Oh, we have a little blinking cursor. Okay. We have lots of graphical issues. Oh, yeah, I saw X11 show up. Okay. What does this say? Does this say our operating system national Red Star user system 2.0 welcome to installation next. Okay. What do you say? Unable to read partition information of a CA device frame. Okay. I want to initialize this driver. Yes. Why don't you translate this? Breast milk in compar what? Why the mistakes? What's happening? Like, what does breast milk in compartments? What the 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 it doesn't accept it. This is must be 6 kinds of wow security. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 enter. Yeah, it's installing it, and don't mind this. This is not my fault. Okay, it has a little animation that is very hard to notice. Oh, this is a Microsoft cursor root. Wait, what was my password? Okay, I'm kidding. I'm not that stupid. Oh, this is straight. That was straight up Microsoft logo. Okay, can I switch to English? Whoa, these animations are really cool. Oh my god. Oh, we got the terminal. Like, can I sudo? Oh, that's funny. We can go sudo. Oh, this is settings. Okay. This is like a control panel more than settings. Oh, we got a Linux logo here. Hello, Tux. I guess I can't select any languages, so this video will be a pain. What's this? By the way, we have a KD logo here as well. Okay. Oh, Linux. Just straight up Linux. This is Linux. Oh, we got screensavers. Oh, finally resolutions change. Oh, that was straight up Windows XP sound. Yeah, that was funny. Okay. Oh, what? Wrong password. Denied access. Now North Korea is spying on you. Sounds. Yeah, pretty cursed animations too. Oh, actually, here leaf with Windows key doesn't work. Like, I should be clicking here. Oh, I opened Task Manager, and this is straight up copy of Windows Task Manager. What's this? What about this? Oh, this is a Winamp, Winamp ripoff. Okay. What's this? This is a voice recorder or something? Like, yeah, this is a voice recorder. Okay. Hello? Hi. Can't I listen to it? Okay, thank God it doesn't have access to my microphone. Probably this is just open source software, like remove the about section and I don't know, make it more. I actually misread this as AI. I was going crazy. Okay, that would be very funny. Oh, we got games here. And the icon is just a tank. That's very funny. We got Minesweeper, and yeah, this is exactly from Windows Minesweeper. But what about... Oh, we got Solitaire as well. Yeah, it's just Solitaire. And these don't have any about sections. That's very scary. They just removed the about screen. We have XPDF. We have a marble game, and I don't understand what I just click. Yeah, what is the purpose of this game? Oh, so let's write our name Cat. And now I'm in the North Korean scoreboard or blacklist. This is just a KD game. Yeah, they didn't even bother to change the blocks to another thing. They just has the KD logo. Oh, I can control these. Oh, so I should be doing like water or something, probably. Yes, hash 2. Oh, yeah. And also we have... Oh, I'm stuck. I also have a software CD. Probably has North Korean software in it, so let's check that out. User server. What's this? Product user server. Server.repo server. We have URL office. This is just open office build. Like, is it now on here? Yeah, this is LibreOffice probably. Yeah, they just changed the splash screen. And wow, that actually looks like... Oh, we got an about screen here, but probably it's... I actually wonder what that says. Oh, wait. It says Integrated Office Processing Program Yuri. It's Yuri. It's named Yuri. US... What? It says US 3.0 here. Okay. Crosswind. What's Crosswind? Is it like Wine? Crosswind. It's probably Wine. Yeah, Windows. Yeah, okay. This is Wine. This is basically Wine. And they just branded it to look like it's themselves. And I I don't know live there that knows Windows, but this is probably just enterprise operating system that used by Windows 2000. Wait, oh my god, we got Adobe Acrobat Reader, Adobe Photoshop, so we got crack software here. Oh, that's funny. Let's like try Photoshop. Oh, did I just cancel it? Wait, I should see that. That's hilarious. What? Like, why does it say Windows 98 now? It was saying Windows 2000. Why did we downgrade? Oh, now, okay. Okay. Select the location, installation mode, installation file path. Oh, okay. We probably should need. Okay, this is not cracked software. Is this a VM or Wine? I don't know. Huangsang repo. Bro, this is just GIMP. Oh my. Oh, dude. Hilarious. CD, DVD, revise, antivirus. What is this? Like, I heard the antivirus and only antivirus in Linux, but it would be hilarious if it's that. What's this logo? Fantasy what? Fantasy 1.1 user installation, Fantasy image processing program, copyright C 2000 and Fantasy team. What's this? Why did you call image processing software Fantasy? This is very hilarious. This is just basically... Oh, did that just close the program? Wait. What's this? North Korea spying service. Oh, welcome. Fantasy has an undo function that can undo. But where's my canvas? Yeah, this is basically GIMP. Nothing special. Okay. Address book 2.2 Korea Jangi. Oh, this is probably used in government, used for government to store the address. Okay. Korea Jangi. KHS. Bro, this is just basically KHS, not... Oh, so not KHS, but it's Korean chess. Okay, I understand. It's not... K is not from KD, but Korean. Okay. No, this is not chess. This is...
먼저 쓰세요.
Hello?
먼저 쓰세요.
통과.
What's this?
통과.
Jo Young Nam? What? Like, I want to try one other thing. Where is the terminal? I forgot what terminal is. Okay, I'm tired. Okay, let's close this. I was going to do sudo rmxrf. Why do I have a red flag here? I will try this tomorrow because I'm very tired.